So hey guys, I'm back with another video. I have got such an amazing thing for you. I have got an unboxing. Yes, you have heard that right and seen that right on the thumbnail. I have got an amazing device for you to unbox, especially the very useful one for YouTubers, starting beginner YouTubers. So let's get the unboxing. To unbox today, I have this package from Amazon which I bought on my own, not a sponsored deal. This is a lavalier microphone, color microphone from Boya. Its model is Boya BY-M1. On the back side, it's written the features of this mic: clip-on mic with audio recording, omnidirectional condenser mic, and its weight and dimensions are given, and a battery LR44 battery is already inside the pack, which is needed for your condenser. This mic is always compatible with your DSLR and smartphone. It has a switch to change the modes. As you see here, it's written out here that if you have got the Boya logos over here and you just spare out the water over the logo will disappear, then this piece is original, or else you might also get a fake piece in while. So now let's get to the unboxing process. This is my first unboxing, guys, so let's get to it. I'm really excited, so let's get to it. How do we do it? So when we unbox the first look, we get this amazing leather case pouch which has microphone inside and some reading materials and some warranty cards from Boya which I have got here, and this is the instruction manual which no one reads. So this is the amazing leather pouch and it has got a great quality for this price. This pouch is really amazing in feel and touch. As you can see, it has got the Boya branding over here, and inside is the Boya collar mic. So now it's the time that we get it out. So this inside this we get a silica gel packet which we don't need, and we have got this some extra rubber tips and a 3.5 mm jack to another jack converter. Got another We have got this mic and we have got this condenser. So this is a clip-on mic. Actually it comes with a clip over here. So now let's remove this outside the packet. So we have got this clip which I will always clip onto my collar now one ways, and let me just install it. And this is also I have got a 3.5 mm jack to bigger jack converter which can be used to loudspeakers, and this is the LR44 battery which is given already inside the box, which I have to insert into the condenser port. The condenser is actually gives a good and smoothing effect to our noise which makes it really sound really good. So coming over to the microphone, this microphone's quality is always just amazing, and this condenser also has got a clip on to your belt or somewhere you want. This has got a pretty much big cable which you can manage yourself by this velcro strap, and this becomes easier to get over the long distances. Now I have to install this dead cat over the microphone. Now let's install this. Till now the audio you are hearing from the phone directly. Now I will switch on to the microphone and show you the testings. So the audio you are hearing now from is the Boya BY-M1 mic. Now you can see definitely the change in the audio quality. Now let's install this collar mic pin. So we'll install just by inserting it over here. Now it's easily clippable to your collar. So this was the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech, and I'll be bringing many more reviews out like this. So just keep subscribed and get notified on every update from How To.